Everyone, in this video we are going to learn how we can use VS Code for our project. So here is my VS Code. I will go type VS and VS Code, basically Visual Studio Code, and I will choose my Django project. I had created that project on desktop, so it was in my Django projects, and you can see here I opened the main folder, and the project, the one created by me, was my first site, and the virtual environment was my Django world. So now we have to launch some commands. So either we can use terminal of as we are using last time. In the last video you have already seen how you can use the terminal. Now VS Code also provide the terminal. You can open terminal within this editor IDE, and here you can see we are able to see the command prompt, terminal prompt. So first of all, what we do, we will have to launch the activate the virtual environment. So what we'll do for that, source my Django world bin / activate, right? So my virtual environment is activated, and if you're working on the Windows, you can also open the same thing, and here you will have to use, just type the folder name, then scripts, then activate.bat file, and then you can activate the virtual environment. Now I'm in a virtual environment, so I'll have to go inside the projects, my first site. So I'm doing cd my first site, right? And how you can launch our project, Python manage.py run server, sorry, no space will be here, and this was the manage.py. basically manage.py is the file which will be used for the command line actions whenever you are working with the project. So this is the most crucial file, and whenever we have to run the project, we'll use this one. So I'm typing here, so you can see if I'm increasing the window size of the terminal, there is a red message for the migrations. I will look into this later videos, but you can see here there is a starting development center at this URL, and if you can easily open this one at here. Now it's showing. So this is how you can use Visual Studio Code to open project, and using the terminal of the VS Code to launch your Django project, and also how you can activate the virtual environment. Alright, then in the next video we will see how you can create our first app under Django project. See you then. Thank you so much.